Hi, Assalamualaikum. For this video presentation, Mat 183 Calculus 1, we want to talk about the application of differentiation. Our lecture's name is Madam Eza Suraya binti Sarudin. So, I will introduce my team members. The first is Muhammad Iqbadanya bin Fazli Hisham. And the second one is Muhammad Amirul Aiman bin Nasrul. And the last one is Muhammad Alif Imran bin Muhammad Asri. What is differentiation? Differentiation is process of finding the derivative or rate of change of a function. The rate of change of function is defined as dy per ds equal to fs equal to y.
What is application of differentiation? First, we have related rate. Second, we have analysis of function, include increase, decrease, and concavity. Third, we have apply maximum and minimum problem. Fourth, we have rule theorem and mean value theorem. What is related rate? Related rate are problems that involve two or more quantities and their corresponding rate of change with respect to time. Our problem statement is a block of ice in the shape of a cylinder has a radius of r centimeter and height 2r plus 3 centimeter. The ice is melting at the constant rate of 4 centimeter cube per second. A. Find the surface area of the ice cube in terms of R. B. Find the volume of the ice cube in terms of R. C. Find the rate of change of the surface area of the ice cube when the radius is 2 cm. Question A. Find the surface area of the ice cube in terms of R. Cylinder have two kind of section area. First, cylinder have two circle area, and second, cylinder have one rectangle. Area equal 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. After that, we need to eliminate h by, in the question, substitute h of cylinder to 2r plus 3. After expand, area equal 2 pi r square plus 4 pi r square plus 6 pi r. Finally, the surface area is equal 6 pi r square plus 6 pi r.
For question B, the question states find the volume of the ice cube in terms of R. As we know, the formula volume of cylinder is pi r square h. The next step is we need to eliminate h by substitute the height of cylinder to r plus 3. And the final step, we can find the volume of the ice cube in terms of r is 2 pi r cube plus 3 pi r square.
Next, we will proceed to the last question of this problem, which we need to find the rate of change of the surface area of the ice cube when the radius is 2 cm. From the problem statement, we know that the dV over dt is negative 4, which referring to the word melting that has been stated in our problem statement. So now, our objective is to find the dA over dt to figure out the area of the cylinder. In order to find the area, first thing first, we need to substitute dV in our differentiation. But the problem here, there is no way to get dA over dV. So we need to separate again our differentiation equation and replace it with dr, which highlight to search the surface area. So, from the question before, we have get the area which is 6 pi r square plus 6 pi r. So we need to differentiate A. So dA over dr, we will get 12 pi r plus 6 pi. Next, we also need to differentiate V, and we will get dV over dt is equal to 6 pi r square plus 6 pi r. Then, we just substitute all the value that has been calculated before to the equation, and we will get dA over dt, which 12 pi r plus 6 pi times 1 over 6 pi r square plus 6 pi r times negative 4. Then we just simplify the equation and get the final form before we substitute the radius to the equation, negative 48 pi r minus 24 pi over 6 pi r square plus 6 pi r. Last step for this question is we just substitute r which is 2 to the dA over dt, and get negative 120 pi over 36 pi. So, the rate of change of the surface area of the ice cube is negative 10 over 3 centimeters square second. So, maybe we will ask where we apply differentiation. In the context of calculus, it is a mathematical tool used to analyze rates of change and the behavior of functions, while it has numerous applications across various fields. Here are some real-life examples where differentiation is commonly employed. First, physics. Differentiation is essential in physics to study motion, acceleration, and forces. For instance, it helps determine the velocity and acceleration of object in motion, analyze the behavior of particle, and calculate the rates of change in physical quantities. Second, economics. Differentiation plays a significant role in economics. It helps economists analyze supply and demand, study production and cost, optimize resource allocation, and examine the elasticity of demand and supply. And the last one, in the engineering field, differentiation is used extensively in engineering field. It aids in analyzing and designing electrical circuits, understanding the behavior of mechanical system, optimizing control system, calculating rates of heat transfer, and predicting the behavior of material under stress. These are just few examples illustrating the wide-ranging application of this differentiation. In general, differentiation provides a powerful mathematical framework for analyzing and understanding the behavior of systems that involve change and rates of change.
In conclusion, by using the application of differentiation, first we can determine the rate of change by using geometry formula. Second, we can determine a value of volume.
Thank you guys for watching. We hope you guys get more knowledge from our video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Before we ending the video, I want to give you guys the quotes by Paul R. Helmers said that the only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. And bye!